Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do number 1221, split a string in balanced strings. This is an easy level problem on LeetCode, and we're going to solve it in JavaScript as the language. So balanced strings are those that have an equal quantity of L and R characters, and giving a balanced string as split it in the maximum amount of balanced strings and return the maximum amount of balanced strings. So we know that there's only going to be R's and L's. And then for this one, we get S, this is a string, output is 4, because this RL is a balanced string, this one is a balanced string, and 3, and then 4. And then output is 4 because of this. So how we're going to solve this? So first thing we need to do is that we need to create an output variable. So create count as the output variable. So this is going to hold everything. And we're gonna have to loop through this, and we're gonna keep track. We're gonna have a create a balance variable to keep track of whenever we have a balance string. Create balance variable to keep track of a balance string. And then after that, we're gonna loop through S. And when we loop through the S, we create condition to see if current index value is R. It could be any of it. It could be R or L, but we're just going to use R for simplicity. And then if it's R, if R, then we increment the balance. If not, else decrement the balance. And then once we do that, so we go to the first one, or if it's R, we increment the count, balance, so on. And then you go to the next one, L, and you decrement the balance. So we know that we have a count. So if create a condition to see if balance is equal to 0. So that means so the first one there's none, but the second one there is. If true, increment the count. So we know that we have a balance string there. And then once we finish this, the count is going to have what we need. So we will have to return the count. Okay, so let's put this in code. Let count equals to 0. Let balance equal to 0. And now we're going to loop through for let I equal to 0. I is less than s dot length I plus plus. Okay, so we're looping through it now, and now we create the condition if current index s index I is equal to R, then we know to increment the balance. Else we decrement the balance if it's the opposite, if it's L. So now if balance is only equal to 0, we increment the count. And afterwards we return count. So let's see. Nice. Okay, so for the analysis, the time complexity, we're doing a loop through here, so it's going to be O of n. Space complexity, we're creating a variable here, we're creating a variable here. So it's just going to be O of 1 since they're going to be constant. And that's how you solve this problem. Thank you.